Hi, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. So, who doesn't like jalebi? We all love jalebi, right? So today we are making the great jalebi bai. Take 1 cup of maida. To this maida, add 1/4 cup of dahi. To this, I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking powder, and some food coloring. This is optional, and literally a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. And I'm going to add water to it, but we don't want to make like a really thin batter, so add water like really carefully. So this batter is with no lumps. It is like idli batter consistency. It's not too thin, not too runny, but still it's pouring consistency. So I'm going to let it set for like 10-15 minutes, and when it is setting and fermenting a little, let's make some chasni pak or sugar syrup for these jalebis to go in. So to make the sugar syrup, I have taken 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. I can say 3/4 cup of water, like I'm not taking 1 cup, and turn on the heat. I'm going to wait till I see 1 string consistency of this sugar syrup. I'll show you how does it look. Now you can see the sugar has started to dissolve, and I am putting less than a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. This will help later. The sugar will not crystallize. Now you can see the sugar syrup has become really clear, and it has the consistency of 1 string. If you see this drop, it is leaving some strings. Do you see it? This is the string which we were talking about. I'm going to add at this point 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. I have switched off the flame, and kesar. Saffron strands will give nice color and aroma to this sugar syrup. So I have this sauce bottle. You can use maybe a plastic bag, or you can use the lining bag, or just make a cone out of some butter paper. But I had this container, so I'm just filling it up. You can see the consistency. It's nice pouring consistency, and the jalebis will be really nice. So the oil is hot, and I took a wide bottom and wide frying pan for these jalebis. I'm just going to make not very big, not very small. Do you see? They are floating really nicely. Wow, the color is looking really beautiful. Now I am going to just flip them. I took a stainless steel skewer. I cannot use any other thing to turn it, so I'm just using the skewer here. It's easier, it's safe to use it. You can use fork. The flame is here medium to high, and the jalebis are ready to go in our warm sugar syrup. I'm taking like 2 or 3 of them together. Okay, that's not possible. Maybe let's take 2. Here you go. Putting it in the warm syrup. It's going to sit here for like 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that. So I have made these smaller jalebis. In India they are called as dollar jalebis. I have no clue why. Maybe it's smaller. So they are easier to make. They are crispier. Also you can eat like maybe 2 or 3 without any guilt, because they are like really small. Just flipping it. They're like maybe couple of inches of diameter. They're small but tasty. And our beautiful jalebi is ready. I have just garnished it with slivered almonds and some kesar. So they look really beautiful. Thanks for watching. Hope you all are safe. Be safe and enjoy. Make a comment, write a comment, and let us know how do you like it. Bye. Take care.